Nature
is
movement.
Science with music. Ready. 1, 2, 3, dance.
Mother Sun,
Summer night, how divine.
a key component to life.
Summer night, how bright you shine.
Giving light, heat, and nutrients,
Summer night, how divine.
nurturing organisms to grow.
Summer night, how bright you shine.
Rising in the morning, just to fall into the night in a never-ending cycle. A cat does his morning grounding, tiptoeing on the greenery, sending his mind into the Zen garden of roses. Plants are a sign of nature's growth.
Summer night, how divine. Summer night, how bright you shine.
Water is the flow state of nature. It takes up most of the earth but contains little nooks, aggressively vocalizing itself. On the contrary, allowing a meditative solitude. Whether high up, taking in views, or on ground level, spending quality time with loved ones. Nature was, is, and will continue to move whether we like it or not.